Game 3 of Justin Diaz and Boohoo. And sub and comment and enjoy.
So what did fart?
Fuck up, Scott.
No, it's fine.
True, it's what the fart.
Yeah. Teleport?
It's fine.
Shark, maybe? Shark?
No, teleport. A special commander.
Shark in hand?
How is he supposed to sound that?
Exceed? Where's Almighty?
I don't think
Yeah, you saw it too, right?
Effect?
Does he have the move? Every time he opens up with the fucking rules.
After one defected?
Yeah.
And then? Activate Shark
Chris
Hunter.
is disgusting.
I'll put this back and
Oh.
teleport.
He's gonna drop your hand.
Yeah.
Scoop up.
No, just play it out.
Let's keep this as a minute video. Ah, past the mark, you douchebag.
I always go Tor bust, not Tor.
Cause you're whack.
Because they're not yours.
You're funny cause they are.
No.
That's cute.
This guy.
Bullshit.
Bullshit what? We traded for him.
I have Pot of Everest too. No, I'm lying.
So you know somebody got you.
I'm still gonna forget.
Let me see your hand, Boo.
What?
I know. You didn't give the Insta fame.
Don't.
Fang is a stacker who goes to our local.
That's cute.
Beat it. Why?
Faggot Boohoo.
Shut the fuck. Yeah.
I'm gonna get mad dislikes for this wind up loop.
Yeah, you better.
Go.
Everyone dislike. Fucking asshole.
Hey man, profanity. Well now I can use it. I'm the narrator. Or the commentator. Whatever you want to
Reborn?
call me.
Yeah. I'm not gonna post that shit.
Reborn your Silva.
Why?
To add it back to your hand for Grappa.
You're a bum, dude.
Shut the fuck up.
Noob. Wrong
So?
way. Wrong way.
Whatever.
Michael?
Yeah.
What the
I don't know
fuck?
why you can punch it.
Cause he's gonna pump it.
Oh, this guy.
What?
He make me laugh.
But not attack it, yo. Heavy storm, heavy storm.
Go.
Oh, you bum.
Active effect
Well, okay.
and space effect.
Activate.
No, this is doing
just
your
said-
end
Oh,
phase.
fuck.
What the f-
It's your turn though.
No, it's not, dude.
Oh, and-
What's wrong with
How the
you?
fuck did that shit come out?
I could use it during either player's turn.
Didn't you have to summon that?
Last turn I
No.
summoned it.
Oh.
Dude, you can remove it. That shit goes to the graveyard.
Did you summon Torbus last turn?
You're a bum, dude.
I dropped
You
your
just
hand.
said that.
You just...
Oh.
You're like 2
Oh,
turns
you're
ago.
stupid. That's, yeah.
That's gone. Michael?
That was my only hope. Yeah.
I thought
Why am I even recording your duel? You're terrible.
Why? Because I have
You're
to
not worthy of
I
my
have to
Galaxy
play
S2.
wind up hand loops all the time.
Whatever.
Yeah, he has that. He does.
This was game 3. Comment and enjoy. Who is gay? Justin Diaz is taking it and come back for another duel with a commentary by Christopher Proja.